Want to send a file through email without actually attaching a big document? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to attach a OneDrive share link in Outlook. By the end, you'll know 2 foolproof ways to send files quickly, securely, and without worrying about inbox limits or messy attachments. Let's dive right in. First up, I'll walk you through the Insert tab method, which is perfect if you want to share OneDrive files directly from Outlook itself. So open Outlook on your computer. If you're replying to a message or composing a brand new email, this works just the same. Once your email window is open, head up top to the ribbon and click the Attach File button. Outlook nicely displays a few recent files, but for our purposes, look for the option that says Browse Web Locations. When you hover over that, you'll see a list of connected cloud accounts. Go ahead and select OneDrive. Now Outlook opens a file picker. This is your window into all your OneDrive documents and folders. Take your time to find that exact file or folder you want to share. If you have lots of items, don't worry. You can use the search bar or just navigate through your folders like you would in File Explorer. Once you found what you're looking for, click on it and hit Insert. Here where the magic happens. Outlook is going to ask, do you want to attach the actual file or share it as a OneDrive link? We want that share link, so select Share as a OneDrive link. What's great about this option is that you're not clogging up anyone's inbox with huge files, and bonus, everyone always gets the latest version of the document. So if you make changes after hitting send, your recipients can still see the updates. It's a neat way to keep everyone on the same page, literally. Now, maybe you prefer working from your own OneDrive folder on your computer and you don't want to navigate through Outlook at all. That brings us to the direct paste method. Think of this as copying someone a shortcut to your shared folder rather than dragging the whole filing cabinet into their office. All you need to do is locate the file you want to share inside the OneDrive folder on your computer. Right-click on that file, then choose Share. A window pops up letting you manage who gets access, but for email there's usually a button called Copy Link. Click that and Windows instantly copies a secure share link to your clipboard. Now hop back to your Outlook email. Just paste the link right into the message, simple as that. Outlook is pretty smart here. Most of the time it recognizes OneDrive links and automatically tidies them up. You'll see a nice clickable link with the file name instead of a messy URL. This makes your email look more professional and your recipient knows exactly what they're getting. If any part of this takes a few moments, don't stress. Sometimes cloud services need a second to load up files, or Outlook thinks for a little bit before formatting the link. That's totally normal. So that's how you easily share a OneDrive file in Outlook, using either the Insert tab or a direct share link paste. No more out-of-space errors and your files stay secure and up to date. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have questions or need more examples, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a future tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.